Giraffe rewards users for playing mobile games, but the time it takes to earn and redeem rewards can vary depending on the offers available. By the end, you'll know 5 apps similar to Giraffe, how they compare, and what to check before spending hours on a game reward app. The first alternative is Play. It is one of the most recognized mobile gaming reward apps and focuses on earning points by playing supported games. If you like a dedicated gaming rewards experience, Play is one of the closest options to Giraffe. Next is Rewarded Play. This app is built around mobile games and rewards users for completing gaming activities. It can be a good choice if you want a simple setup where the main activity is playing games instead of completing different types of tasks. Another option is AppStation. It works similarly by letting users discover and play mobile games while earning rewards. The main thing to check is whether the games available match the type of games you actually enjoy playing. Swagbucks is another option if you want more flexibility. Unlike gaming-only apps, Swagbucks includes different earning activities along with game offers. This makes it useful for people who want more ways to collect rewards in one place. The fifth option is FreeCash. It offers game-related tasks along with other online offers. If you prefer choosing from different opportunities, instead of only playing games inside one app, FreeCash gives you more variety. Before choosing any Giraffe alternative, check 3 things. First, look at the reward requirements, because some apps require specific actions before you earn credit. Second, review the withdrawal options so you know how rewards are redeemed. Third, compare the available games because an app is only useful if it has games you actually want to play. Apps like Giraffe are designed for earning small rewards from gaming time. They are not a replacement for regular income, but they can add value if you already spend time playing mobile games. If you want the closest gaming-focused experience, Play, Rewarded Play, and AppStation are worth comparing. If you want more earning categories, Swagbucks and FreeCash may fit better. Your next step is to test 1 or 2 apps and track how quickly you reach rewards before committing more time. Subscribe for more comparisons of apps that help you decide what is actually worth using.